Introducing the new TX3 tube laser system from HSG. As our customers continue to harness the unparalleled versatility of tube laser systems to transform their production capabilities, the TX3 emerges as the ultimate solution. With automatic loading and unloading, the TX3 minimizes manual handling in your workshop, whether you're processing tubes, pipes, H-beams, or I-beams. This seamless integration ensures smoother operations and maximizes productivity, even for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with our advanced Intelligent Bus operating system, the TX3 can be configured with a laser source of up to 20 kilowatts, delivering unmatched cutting speeds, efficiency, and output. From design to part, the process has never been faster or more precise. Designed to meet the demands of modern fabrication, this system is the first choice for industrial tube laser profiling, delivering precision, power, and performance like never before. For customers requiring advanced functionality, the TX3 offers optional 45-degree beveling, expanding your scope for follow-up fittings and welding preparation. And with zero tailing as standard, you can achieve cleaner cuts and superior results every time. The future of fabrication and automation is here. The TX3 CNC fiber tube laser system isn't just a machine, it's a revolution for your workshop. As the pinnacle of innovation, it empowers you to redefine what's possible in fabrication and automation. The future is now. Experience it with the TX3. Contact Engineering Machinery to learn more.